This is a simple cocktail. It's called a Do Be Careful. Now, it's not as potent as the name might indicate. It's basically gin, triple sec, with a splash of grenadine and lime juice. Now, we're going to make this in a martini glass, which we have already chilled, setting off to the side. Whenever you make a martini-type cocktail or anything in a cocktail glass, it's a good idea to chill your glass beforehand. That way, the ingredients don't start to warm up, pouring it into a warm glass. So let's get started. We're going to add some ice to our shaker, and we need the same amount of gin and triple sec. So we're going to put about 1.5 ounces of each. Now we're going to use our jigger here, which is 1 ounce on one side and 1/2 ounce on the other. And now we'll do the same with our triple sec. Triple sec is basically just an orange liqueur. And another ounce there. Look at that. And now just a splash of lime juice. And a splash of grenadine. Grenadine is very thick, very sweet. You never really want to mix too much grenadine in your cocktails. Get nice and cold. We'll dump the ice and water out of our martini glass. And this is going to have a nice color to it, nice pink. Look at that. All righty. Do be careful.